Prepare your home for fall and winter. Key maintenance tips. As fall approaches, it's time to prepare your home for the colder months. Start by inspecting your roof to prevent leaks and clean your gutters to avoid water damage. Seal any drafts around windows and doors to improve energy efficiency. Service your HVAC system to ensure it's running efficiently, and check safety devices like smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Don't forget to inspect your plumbing to prevent frozen pipes and check your fireplace for safe use. Trimming trees and cleaning landscaping around your home's foundation will also help protect against winter storms. Schedule a home maintenance inspection today to uncover any hidden issues before winter and keep your home safe, energy efficient, and ready for the season.